That was an oil rack that recycled into a run stand. Hey, take what you got, huh? Recycle. I'm gonna be working on this engine. I had some water in the number 2 cylinder and brought it in. Wanted me to find out where it is. I'm gonna put some water to it and pressurize it, and then take the pan off and take a look. I feel that's one of the best ways to find a water getting in the cylinder. But hopefully let's fix this thing too and get it going. And got some other projects that's going on. It's 400 heads going on a 350 Chevrolet street stock or pure stock, and here it is right here. Take a look, see, it's got hypertechnic pistons in it right there. This is going to be for sale soon. Put that back. There's another one's going to be for sale soon, and let's see, and we got another one right here. I believe this is a street stock. Oh no, this is another pure stock in here that we can build up and sell, or you know, some hot rod, street rod or something like that. Let's see what else. That's what we got. Oh yeah, that's another one I want to show you. That when you don't run the right gas, that's what happens right there. And what I do is I nickel weld it, and then put 2 sleeves in it, and then it's burning on the sleeves and not on that nickel, and that'll seal it up real nice. But they were trying to run on this engine, they were trying to run pump fuel in an 11-to-1 engine. Unbelievable. But that's what happens. And I like to 12-to-1, 11-to-1, 12-to-1. I like to run 112 octane at least. You know, it's keeping it cool. It's keeping those combustion chambers cool. And this engine out here, this 355, I did the same thing for it. This is one I've got up for sale. It's 6,500, and it's a street stock, and it's been repaired, and it's been line bored, new pistons, cranking rods. It's a nice little engine. And it's a 11-to-1 solid lift cam. So, and that's this one. I've got it running. You can also look on YouTube. I may post some other videos up on this one.